Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing interview. I'm checking out this camstro wire-free battery-powered doorbell with Chime. Check this little guy out here. He's setting this up as well, so we've got a quick installation guide here. Got the app already on there. Okay. Oh, it actually came with batteries. Not many things come with batteries anymore. So we have our little doorbell here. Looks like we got some screws for installation, a little cord there for plugging in to charge it up. Okay, so this should have a little button there. Oh, there we go. Open this up. Should have a little tool. This little guy right here. So if you want to install this, press in there. That's going to release your doorbell. We're just going to install this into our frame and set this up. We're good to go. I got the app already. Take this plastic off of here. We don't need this. Press power button, 3 seconds on. Supports only 2.4 gig Wi-Fi, which is cool with me. And there's our little door chime here. Let's get the batteries in here. Okay, there's 2. Will not be denied. These AAA little batteries here. Lock those into place. Put our little chime thing back on. Let's go outside, set this up, be good to go. Okay, got the app here. Just held down the power for 3 seconds and then follow instruction manual. Hit next.
Please reset the device by holding the reset button for 5 seconds. Wait for the indicator light to flash red.
Okay. Okay. That flash red. Hit next. Recommended to turn on Bluetooth. All right, so entered my network password and now it's just connecting here. It says, wait a minute. Okay, it says choose a family, that one, ETPC home, and done. And install the door at the appropriate height. Okay, product shall prevail in kind, avoid facing the road or crowded places, don't do it in direct sunlight, okay.
Press next to enter network diagnostic.
Okay, here we go, and I have the, right here, that's me on the camera there, so. All right, so we'll just go set this up now. That was pretty easy. Okay, friends, so I tested like where I wanted it kind of so I could see like, so this slopes up a little bit on my siding, unfortunately. So that kind of got my porch a little bit out of sync. So what I did was I just took my phone and then I placed this where I wanted it so I kind of see, okay, is that going to show me my whole porch? Well, I'm standing out of the way here, and that will work pretty good. So I'm going to lock it in right here. I just put a little spacer thing there, and now I'm just screw that in real quick. I use my own screws too, be a little bit easier. Okay, so basically something like this right here. This one's adjustable a little bit. And then right here, so I think that's about right. And then you can adjust that as needed. Something like that. There we go. And that should kind of give us a little bit of where we want it to be here. Now this just goes in here. Lock, the front top goes in first, and that bottom part locks in. Let's check our camera here. We'll do full screen. And that looks pretty good. I can see my whole porch here, everything right there. So if there's a package on the porch, I can see all that perfectly. So I think that works out really well for us there. Okay. That was super easy to install. If you need to charge it, actually I have my, this little portion just comes out right here, and you just run a wire in there and charge it up. This should tell you, let's see, what the battery life is and on the app and everything right there. So that's cool. You can do screenshots, intercom, original sound, record, siren. And a bunch of other stuff. So that's really neat. Screenshot. I'll get an SD card too and put that in there. You have to take this out of the cover to put the SD card in here because it's hidden under this portion right here. So I'll put an SD card in there, and then you can go back to your history on this stuff and look at all the other stuff. So pretty cool. Have an intercom on there so you can talk to people while using the app. Hey, hello. And talks on there. Motion detection, you can set that up. So if it does motion detection, you can set the sensitivity and it'll give you an alert on that. So pretty sweet little doorbell camera here, my friends. Let's check out the little doorbell too. All right, let's hit the doorbell. And it also gives me a notification on my phone too, so I can answer it or call. So that's pretty sweet. And then you can change your sounds if you want. I can answer it, and it's going to show me, oops. Perfect. All right, anyways, my friends, seems to be working pretty well. I like that it gives me a notifications. It brings up the video right here too. So if someone rings my doorbell and I'm not home, I can talk to them right away or see who's on there. Well, my friends, thanks so much for watching this review. I hope it's helpful. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you all next time. So as we can see, whether we're having a package delivered and we need to talk to the delivery guy. Danny, just leave it on the porch, please. The two-way audio is nice for communication there, whether you need specific instructions for the packages, whether someone's at your door. When they ring the doorbell, it pops up right on your phone, so that's really nice. You got the night vision. You can zoom in and out. History, you can go there. It'll show all the notifications there. That can be adjusted too. If you have an SD card, you can watch all that on there, or you can go to the cloud if you want to use that service as well. But super handy. The quality of the picture is excellent. Easy to set up, the doorbell was. Battery seems to last quite a long time. I haven't had any connection issues really at all right now. And so I'm pretty happy with that. The doorbell communicates with the bell inside nicely. So it gives a nice loud announcement once people hit the doorbell. So all in all, my friends, a nice little doorbell camera. Thanks so much for watching this review. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.